Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix your rendering issue in Camtasia. So the version I'm using now is Camtasia 2020, and I create a new project with Camtasia, and when I export it or render it, the video is stuck at 100%, and I cannot save the project and I cannot export the file. So it's terrible. What a bad day. So I'm trying to Google search and also watch some other YouTube channel to see how to fix the issue, but it doesn't work for me. Some people say that there's some corrupted files in your project, and I try to locate some corrupted files in my project or the files I don't use, and I test all the files one by one. By the way, it doesn't work. And finally I found a solution, so I think this solution is useful for you. You can try it also. It is very simple. Okay, so here in my Camtasia, this is a project that I'm working on. As you can see, we have some layer here. The first layer is my music. That is the background music I'm playing for the whole project, and I have some annotation and some image here, and my main video or webcam recording here, and a screen recording here. So there's it is not a messy timeline, and we can easily see all the media file here are okay. Nothing is corrupted. So then why I cannot export my video? Maybe it will happen to you also. So here's a solution. If you cannot find the corrupted files on your project, then you can try to convert this project into the library. What I mean is to save all the media file on your project and put it into the library. Okay, so in Camtasia, so there's a function to do that in Camtasia. So what I do is just I select all. I press Ctrl A to select all the media file on my timeline, and then I'm going to right click, and here you see there's an option here to add to library. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on this, and then I name it new project, for example. And then I select the library I want to add. In this case, I have a library here, so I can select my library and then use canvas size. That is what I use. Then I click OK. Now Camtasia will convert all of my file and put into the library. So yeah, it takes a little bit time. After that, let me cancel it. So I already did that, and I successfully get the file and exported the project and upload to YouTube. So let me show you in the library. So here in my library, I have a name here. This is the project that I converted and put it in the library. Let's preview the details. Here you see that there's more than 4.7 gigabytes. So this is the whole project size. And then I drag and drop this media file into the timeline. So it is still the same, but now it is in a group of media files on the timeline. It's the same project. Then I can click on export and save it to local, and then I can export successfully using Camtasia. So I hope this is the solution for you. If any of you get stuck, Camtasia stuck when rendering video, maybe at 10% or 20% or 100% like me. Okay, so I hope it will help you solve the problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, and see you in my next video. Bye.